Friends, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm super fine. Today I'm very happy to be invited on this stage. First of all, I would like to thanks all of you, especially for my teacher. Actually, I am already teacher, that's why. But especially for my teacher, this is the way to speak, how to express yourself before speaking, how to present yourself, how to start, how to make a start. This is the beginning points. So friends, I am HR Pushpa in front of you. Today I am very happy to be invited on this stage. First of all, I would like to thank all of you, especially for my respected sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to speak something about my topic. As far as my topic is concerned, my topic is money. Friends, what is money? Money is a currency. Money is a medium of transaction. There are two type of currency in India, metal coin and paper note. But this time, the very speedily a new currency is coming in fashion is called the digital currency, or online transaction is a type of a digital currency because we have the digital transaction. Okay, so basically the two types of physical money we have, the one is metal coin and second is a paper note. Metal coin we have a variety and paper note also have a variety. Okay, money fulfills the need of our transaction. When there were no money that time, the people used to exchange the things, that was called the double transaction system, जिसे कहते थे वस्तु विनिमय पद्धति. Okay, we have to exchange something in return of something, means we have to give something in return of taking something. Okay, but this time we have to give directly, we have to pay money to purchase something and we get money to sell something. Okay, so money finished the need of double transaction system. Money made our transaction easy, understand? And we have the one important things this time is the online transaction made our transaction very easy. Okay, we can directly send money to the person's account, understand? And we can withdraw money from the ATM machine directly, or we can transfer money one device to the another device easily, one account to the another device by the online transaction process. Okay, so this way that is the brief introduction of money. Now the next question, do you think without money life colorless and boring? Of course, I think without money life colorless and boring. Money fulfills the need of human. Money makes our life easier. Money makes our life comfortable and lavish. People live luxury life with the help of money. This time, everything can be bought with the help of money. I am not talking about the emotionally things. I am not talking about some personal things. I am not talking about the nature and other things. So, the money can get many things which is necessary for human life. A good health, a good services, a good education, a good facilities. Everything can be bought with the help of money. So, these things makes our life definitely colorful. For example, I have a money, I bought this colorful dress, okay, but I had no money. Probably I bought a cheap cost dress, okay, a cheap dress, cheap uniform. Okay, you have last time or the past time we had no sufficient money. We used to purchase some common things like a black and white TV, but this time the people purchase color TV because the people have money. And color TV has also variety. Okay, HD, full HD, digital. Okay, there are so many variety. So money makes our life definitely colorful. So that's why we say that without money life is colorless and boring. We have no money, our life is boring. We have no entertainment source, we have no equipments for entertainments, we have no luxury car, we have no full facility at home. Okay, we have to adjust with the circumstances. Next question, do you think money is not everything but something? Yes, of course, money is not everything but something. One side we think the money fulfill the need of life. Even then the next side of that, without money even person can live. For example, you can't live without family. You need friends, you need family, you need people support. If you have lot of money but you have no companions, no your caretakers, in spite of having lot of money, your life will be boring, your life will be difficult, because we need support of the people, we need love, we need care, we need affection, we need attachment of the people, we need care of the people. That's why money is not everything but something. You can purchase a beautiful home, but you can't purchase peace. You can purchase beautiful bed, but you can't purchase sleepy. You can purchase expensive and tasty food, but you can't purchase hunger. You can purchase beautiful all facilities, but you can't purchase natural beauty. Understand? If you are natural beauty, you have no natural beauty, you can't purchase natural beauty. Some the people go to the plastic surgery to make themselves beautiful, but sometimes their plastic surgery, their treatment is failed, and they lost their beauty. They lost their natural beauty. So that's why money is not everything but something. Okay, you can't purchase good friend with the help of money. For that, you should have a good behavior, good nature, good personality. Automatically, people will attract toward you. But you thought and you have a thinking that money can fulfill all the requirements of life. So not true. That's wrong. Okay. Last thing, do you think can you purchase love, affection, feelings with the help of money? No, never. You can never buy love, affection, feelings with the help of money, because these things are not sellable products, or these are not things. These are emotions. These comes from human heart. These comes from the bottom of human heart, human body. These depends on human nature. Okay, these things are the sense of human. Okay, when you are talking politely with me, definitely I will talk politely with you. Okay, but you are talking roughly, I will also talk the same. Okay, if you are loving me, in return of that I will also love you. But you are abusing me, definitely I will hate you, I will start hating you, and I will not give you any respect. So in the life, respect begets respect, money begets money, respect begets respect. Okay, इज्जत दो, इज्जत पाओ. लव begets लव. किसी को चाहो तो वो भी आपको बदले में चाहेगा, सेम थिंग. ओके, तो इसलिए हम ये चीज़ें पैसे से नहीं खरीद सकते. दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट सेलेबल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मार्केट, और नॉट दीज थिंग्स हैव एनी कॉस्ट, और ना ही इन चीज़ों की कोई कीमत है. दैट्स व्हाई वी कांट परचेस. इफ़ we could buy these things with the help of money, so definitely rich man had all the happiness, rich man had all the love, rich man had all the care and all the affections, everything they had. But unfortunately they can't purchase these things. That's why we get these things by our nature, by our quality, by our personality. Okay, next thing, if someone give me 1 lakh rupee, what can I do, and what would I do? If someone give me 1 lakh rupee, I will spend money to the help of poor. So this way I will spend money. Okay, and next, the education gets money or money gets education. Both are proportional to each other. If you have a higher education, you have a more probability and possibility to earn, and you have lot of money, you have a possibility to get a good education. But remember, money sometimes diverts the mind of people. The people have lot of money, they don't need to earn money. If they have no desire to earn more money, then they start spending money in a wrong way. They start playing gamble, they start involving in bad habits. Understand? They start adopting bad habits. So it is not sure that lot of money is a guarantee of good education, but it is true that good education is a guarantee of earning lot of money. Thank you very much. This is the topic. Okay.